Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
10 minutes to market open, y'all.
Morning, Sergio.
Morning, fam. How you doing?
Doing good, man.
Hey, let's
Let me
get
get,
it. It's gonna be a good day, yo. Have you taken any trades yet?
yeah, I've been dabbling.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
I'm bearish because we're super bearish. But only thing I'm seeing right now. So we ran up like 800 points from the low, which that's insane, yo. That's insane. And we let that little gap at Sunday open. But I don't know if we're gonna go and try to get that at market open or sometime today, or it might be like a thing of the future. So that's the only thing that I'm being cautious about. But for right now, I'm just watching levels as we're breaking.
Got you. You chart on
Mm.
the 5 minute only? Are you typically just looking at the five?
Normally, I do a full analysis, but since we've been so bearish, well, yeah, I do take my entries on the 5 minute, but right now I'm just focused on the 5 minute because I'm scalping like very, very super aggressive.
Mm-hmm. Good,
Th-
good.
This is this is not normally how I trade. I normally give myself like a 10 point leg movement, but right now I'm just going for a little bit of points. That's it.
Yeah.
Morning, fam.
Morning, family. Let's get it.
I already got it. I'm done.
Let's go.
Yeah, look. But I said I don't want to. I don't want to pass that Bullinox eval just yet.
Yeah, same here. I'm like that with one of them. I just activated the bonus this morning, but I'm just being cautious.
Yeah, well, I'm with my take profit. I'm withdrawing daily into my wallet on there, and I'm not going to take that into my bank account until the end of the week.
Oh, nice. Let's go.
So I put in, well, 475 on Friday and another 480 or so today.
How many withdrawals you got?
Well, today is going to be my second one, right? Thursday, I hit the buffer. Friday, I made like 600, but it's an 80-20 profit split.
Yeah.
I withdrew 475 into my wallet on Friday. That completed today. And then today
So
I did 590 in the market this morning. So I'm going to withdraw that.
from the buffer, you have your additional buffer, or you go from their buffer?
I'm just going with the $2,000 buffer, bro. Like,
Okay,
any,
so if you take let's say a $500 withdrawal, and
no,
now
I can
you're
only with I can only withdraw down to the buffer. Right, like with take
oh,
profit, you can only withdraw anything above the $2,000 buffer. So every
got
time, that's the only thing that's available to withdraw. So every time I withdraw, it just takes me back to the 2,000. But since I'm already at that buffer, my buffer is not intraday trailing anymore, right? It's 2 grand.
yeah.
You know.
Hey, that's clean, yo.
Yeah, so I'm just every day I'm gonna take my profits into my wallet, because any profit I don't take is profit I could give back, right? Like
Yeah.
that becomes my risk,
How
right?
many accounts can you have
You can have up to 5, so I'm gonna buy another take profit eval.
and keep on cycling them? Ooh,
Yeah,
yeah, that'd be tight. Hey, let's
yeah.
go.
So I'm gonna do another take profit eval. I don't even know if I'll probably do the bull and ox. Just that'll be my account that I trade when I'm fiending to trade, and already decided I'm not gonna trade my other accounts anymore. You know,
Yeah.
like, but still want to be careful with that. I mean, $150 activation fee isn't something I just want to throw away.
Right. Hey, that's tight. Why don't you build up to like 1,000 extra additional personal buffer, and then from there you it's just a
Well,
money machine. You know what I mean?
well, my logic is. Are you talking about on the take profit?
Yeah.
So my logic is, if I build beyond the $2,000 buffer and trade on that, that becomes my risk, right?
Right.
Like anything above that could be in my bank account. That's money that I'm risking out of my personal. If I'm just at the 2,000, then 100% of the risk is theirs, right? It's not my risk.
Yeah.
That's my logic behind it. And there's no way I should be drawing my account down by 2 grand. I'm over trading, or I'm not setting those daily loss limits that we talked about if I'm drawing down by 2 grand.
Yeah.
I have to have like 4 straight unsuccessful days. I've had one losing day in the last 10 or 11 days.
Right.
And that was only for like 200 and something. That was when I was trying to pass to take profit. But I got most of that. 5 something today, trading 2 micro positions and maybe building in 2 more micros. Like, this market right here, we don't need to be trading those huge positions. That's how we blow accounts.
Right. Right. You got 1 minute to market open.
Yeah, look at that coming up on the golden zone here.
Yo, Martin, you in the building?
Be interesting to see what it does.
Yes, sir.
Be interesting to see what it does in that golden zone coming up there.
What's your thoughts for today, fam? What you thinking?
I'm going with the flow, brother. See what happened.
Mm-hmm.
We're going with the flow. I know I'm expecting lower prices, so it looks like it broke below now. So right now, market open should be a good time to sell.
You gotta watch that 61.8 there, man, because what 61.8 does, and it looks like on your chart that's a pretty good level of support as well. Like there's a lot of support at that area right there.
I'm definitely not expecting higher
you got?
prices today. But we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens, right? See what
Market
happens.
open.
No significant news today. But you know, this is the Trump market, so you never know if he's gonna say something on X, right?
Yeah, for real.
That's right.
Trump said this is what he planned. His economic advisor said this fallen market is no part of his plans.
Well, that's part of his plan.
We'll just see what the future ends up being like. You
Yeah.
know, it's like a experiment type of thing, but hopefully everything turns out for the better. You know, it's for
It
everybody.
should. JP Morgan lowered their GDP forecast to negative 0.1 for the year instead of 3. It was at 0.3 and now they lowered it to negative 0.1. This golden zone is going to be interesting here. Are you in any positions right now, sir?
I took a sell at market open. It went straight into take profit.
Yeah, I love that. I see your ATM strategy is give me all that dough.
Yeah, give me all that.
So, Mike.
Morning, Mike.
What's up?
Let's get it, fam.
What are we looking like?
Looking like you're coming up on that golden zone.
Yeah, man. Right now, as various as we are, shit.
Yo.
Hey,
Boy, Lou.
Lou the guru in the building.
Bro, I can't. Yo, my charts are frozen, bro. I can't even do anything. Luckily, I'm not in any positions, but Jesus.
What are you on, Ninja?
Yeah, I'm on Ninja. I might have to delete some of my charts. God damn.
Let's go.
Yo, are you doing that? Are you doing it on a fund?
Give me all that.
Yeah, you gotta give me all that dough, ATM.
Oh my God.
Man.
Bro, I can't trade the funded. I'm already maxed out on the funded.
Bro, this is the most
hilarious.
This is the most aggressive ATM ever created in the history of ATMs.
What's the strategy on that?
The strategy is just a few points. That's
There's
it.
There's no strategy.
No strategy. Just lock in, take profits as soon as you get in.
The strategy is you see something promising, boom, execute on it, and hope for the best.
That's hilarious.
That's all right.
Hey,
I mean, that's kind of what I do.
Too. It wasn't supposed to be unfunded account.
I mean, my oh my
God.
My technique, like I go when I see something promising, I go entry at the money with a stop loss attached, and then I go right over to the DOM and put a take profit like a few points away.
Yeah, that's taking that's too long. That's taking too much time.
It really doesn't like it gives me the ability.
What I'm saying is compared to that little ATM, that's too much time.
Right, but it also gives me more leeway to take bigger profits, right? Like I can put my I can put my take profit just ahead of wherever it went in my direction. You know what I mean? Yeah. So instead of a quick move down and 2-3 points locked in, they might make a quick 5-point move down, and I put a take profit right ahead of that.
Yeah, that's just it's just different. Then
Yeah.
I'm talking about this one right here. This is just a
Yeah.
little
Yeah,
a little
this is
different.
definitely quick.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm not even trading the market anymore today, Lou.
Good. There
Like
you go.
I did five. What I did last night from market open until 7. I did like 1,000 on my Bull and Ox eval, and then I stopped because I don't really want to pass that one yet. I only need like another $100.
Yeah.
And then
As long as you was disciplined, man.
Yeah.
Bread, the profits don't even really matter. It's all about the discipline. If you was disciplined, then good to go. Because
Yeah,
the money,
I don't
we all
really
know how
want
to
to
make
pass
bread.
that Bull and
Bread's
Ox.
gonna come through.
My take profit, I did 590 this morning, and I'm like, that's a good paycheck. I'm done.
Yep.
You know, like
Bread
that.
don't matter as long as if you was disciplined, you can do it every day. That's what matters. That's the
Yeah, I'm
that's the
important
real
just
thing.
locking that shit in, man. Like
Lock it in.
Like I've always been a working man. Like I sit there and make a $600 paycheck in an hour this morning. I'm like, that's a good check, man. What the hell am I getting greedy for? That's going in my bank account.
Yep.
Add that to Friday's profits in my wallet, and keep adding until Friday, and then I'll put it in my bank account.
Yeah. Oh well, okay. Now my charts are. Oh, thank God. Yo,
We're in that golden zone,
right
yo.
And my charts are spazzing. Yo, because it's starting to load up now.
You're in that golden zone now. What's going on? What's gonna happen?
Hey, watch the spread. The spread is crazy.
Yeah. Hey, oh God. Hold on. Okay, now my charts are freaking out.
Oh damn. How come your spreads aren't moving over there on the right?
Yeah, my spreads are messed up, fam. Don't rely on mine.
Like 16, 9, 20. You got a 20-point spread over there that's not moving.
Yeah, it's been like that for him for a while.
What's the problem?
Yeah, I think it's a broker issue. I think something.
I messaged Volnox and there was no help. Oh no, it's you, it's not us. I'm like, oh shit, damn.
There's it.
What, you took a little long on the bounce?
Yeah, this is crazy.
Yo, trading view is lagging.
Yeah. I'm not even gonna try to trade some shit. This is not even like Yeah, my charts are trying to catch up right now.
What if you move the time frame? Is it like that on all your time frames?
No, I'm not on time charts. Yo, Surge.
Yo, I'm just like blinking my eyes.
Hey, Surge, bro.
I'm just blinking my eyes and Surge is taking profits.
Yo, Sergio's a fucking bully today.
Sergio's taking profits in a blink of an eye over here.
High frequency trading.
Yo.
The live crowd on YouTube is like, wait, what just happened?
This is hilarious, Surge. Yo. Oh my God. Bro, Surge, I'm happy for you, bro.
That's great.
That's fire. Yo, hold on. Did you just take one with 4 minis?
No.
Oh shit.
No, but one of them I got slipped in my favor. I'm like, ooh, let's go.
You're sitting there trading 1 mini. What size account is that?
This is
It's a
crazy.
50K.
Huh?
It's a 50K.
Oh damn.
Hey Nathan, everyone, just let everyone know. I'm basically gambling with these. So
yo, you on Deegan mode with that shit.
Yeah, those things I'm being
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't trade a mini
Don't try this
Yeah,
out.
like don't trade a mini. Everybody watching on YouTube, don't trade a mini on a 50K account right now.
Yeah, ever.
Right.
Yeah, this is insane, bro.
The profits you see here may not demonstrate actual results.
Right. Past performance is not indicative of future results.
Right.
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit.
This is the tariff strategy.
Bro, that's too funny. Oh my god.
That's the parachute strategy, just jumping out of the plane and pulling the cord somewhere.
Yeah.
On my way to we do our thing with the 61, and I'll probably look below the 78 for sales. I'm gonna stay away from it.
We're at that 61. What are we gonna do? Get a bounce?
Yeah,
So let me look at the chart. Hey, oh, okay.
I mean,
we
there's a
hit the
good
61.8 right now. Okay.
Yeah, and there's a
61.8.
good level. There's a good level of support there. On top of that 61.8, it looks like a level of support as well.
I'm not gonna play with these quotes at all.
There, we were bouncing off those levels a few times early morning. It looks like last night.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait to break the. Oh shoot! But there's a. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait till we break that. Do what I gotta do.
How much are you gonna wait for it to break? Like the next bar?
No, I'm just waiting for the 78.
Okay.
And even at that, even at that, I might just wait a little bit, see if we make a daily low before I can get into anything. Maybe. I mean, unless I see something juicy, I'll hop on it. You feel me?
Yeah, but look at that daily low. There's a couple of pivot points on the 6th. It looks like that touched that and then bounced back up.
Now I gotta go see what the ES price is because this is. Yeah. Yo, what's the price of the Nasdaq right now? Actually, wait, I have it up. My fault. I can just pull up Think and Swim. Never mind, I got it.
7, 15, 25, 18, 24, 27, 30, 25,
16,
29.
32. Oh my god! Even on Think and Swim, it's jumping like 20 points.
Yeah, it's going crazy.
Yeah, this ain't even. Yeah, I can't trade this.
Shit, Nasdaq at 14.8.
I have to go to a time chart. All right.
Yeah, the Nasdaq is 2,000 points lower than futures right now.
Today's the day we hit the circuit breaker, boys.
I think so. Well, if you think about it, last night, yesterday, we were so close to it. We came so close to it.
Taiwan and I think Japan hit theirs.
Yeah.
Yeah. As soon as they opened, they did.
And trading view is down.
Yeah,
of course it is.
All my shit's not working. Like my bid ask is frozen on ES.
Good. This is the day you walk away.
But like right now, okay, I got two different charts of NQ. One chart is saying that we're at 16,720. Another one saying that we're at 16,691, 697, 698, 700, 698, 709.
Yeah, that one's right. We're at 696.
If there were different brokers, get some arbitrage going.
This guy.
They're creating liquidity.
Oh shit. Yeah, I don't even. This is. Yeah. 748. Hold on, 740.52. No, okay, that's all right. This is right.
I mean, CNBC is lagging. They have Nasdaq futures at 16.9,
Yeah.
and then the regular Nasdaq at 14.9.
Actually, let me put on this today's market tab thing. Yeah, VIX is at 54 right now too. This is insane. Wait, 16.
Still got 150 points or so to go on ES before it locks up.
Yeah.
I think it was like around 47.55 is the limit on ES.
Mm-hmm.
You got to go in and start training for my job today. Probably go get some breakfast first.
I can't even. This is annoying as hell, actually. But whatever. I gotta.
Look, that is going for a buy.
Hey, sir, just be careful with that.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing any buys. Just because how bearish we are, and yeah, I'm not selling it either because the 61 too. So I'm like I can't do anything at this level at all.
That boy's on demon time. That market.
Today I got time.
Yeah.
Gonna try not to buy anything with my out of my withdrawal today.
Golden ratio held true.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we bouncing back up to 38? Yeah, I bet we'll bounce back up to 38 and then continuation. If I was trading, I'd probably look for a short around 38.
We got this 15-minute fair value gap we're trying to fill.
It's a resistance level over there. Lots of candles hitting that in the past 24 hours.
Oh God.
Yeah, if I'm in right now, I'm looking for a continuation down around 38.
Oh man. I feel like a dead fish in the water because I can't even do nothing. My shit frozen.
Yeah, look, here we go.
Jesus.
Yeah, I
Big
run like
bus.
crazy.
Man, fuck it, I'm in here. Max contracts. Order filled.
Gotta hit
Order
filled. Man.
You hit that 38 too and go back down.
Oh.
Not financial advice.
Really can't even believe it. This is kind of crazy. Oh, you know.
Yeah, bar 200-point candle.
Yeah, you know what's so funny? I'm not even logged into my Take Profit Trader connection.
Oh shit.
I'm not even. I didn't. I on purpose. I'm not even touching that shit.
Gotcha. Protecting,
Nope.
Yeah.
Oh.
Lou, on your take profit, you have the their buffer. do you create a personal extra buffer or just use theirs?
Yeah, I'm not interested in creating extra buffer.
Yeah, that's what I said too.
I see the money, I'm taking it.
Right, because that
Yep.
becomes your risk. I was telling Serge before you logged on, like if I make an extra buffer, that's my money I'm risking at that point. Like if I put it in my account, then they have all the risk. I don't have the risk.
Yep. So as soon as I make the money, give me that. Make the money, give me that. If it's
Yeah.
available, give me that. I want it. I need it.
Yeah, all right.
Man,
I need that. I need that, man.
I need it. I need
That's
it.
that's the same place I'm at, man.
Yep, I
Like
need that.
that drawdown isn't trailing anymore. Just let it sit there at $2,000.
Man, hopefully they don't get rid of that.
They get rid of what?
Of that program, like daily, and you know what I mean?
Oh no, they're not getting rid of that. That's their bread and butter. That's what, because here's the thing, right? That the fact that you can do daily withdrawals is what attracts a lot of the customers. And then that's also feeding into the psychology of traders where they want to get those daily payouts. So they're gonna always try to push it to get to a daily payout, and then in the end, you might blow an account. But here's the thing: if you're a trader that will consistently keep getting payouts, they'll move you to Pro Plus, and then you basically, once you get moved to Pro Plus,
the company is actually
profits.
making money.
Yeah, they'll take the profits, move it into that account. So now it's really the amount it's only really your withdrawal that's at risk. So now, and then they'll also start copying you, which I think they can copy you even if you're in the Pro account.
Yeah.
So they can copy you in the Pro, and they can copy you in the Pro Plus. So it's a win-win for them.
And I read their statistics. Their statistics said that between January and February,
only 20% or something.
Only 16% of evals made it to funded.
Exactly.
So they got 84% of failed evals that are generating income too. I know why, looking at some of these chats, man. One guy in the chat said, "Hey guys, can I trade Saturday and Sunday?" I was like, save your money and study more before you trade, bro.
Yeah.
Well, no, first I gave a laughy face, and he's like, "Why are you laughing?" Like, oh my God. What the hell is going on? Yeah, hard to tell what's gonna happen from here, looking at here.
Oh.
Yeah, this chart's not saying if we're gonna go down and break those lows or if we're gonna go up and continue a correction. What's your 30-minute look like, Serge?
This is insane.
Yeah, see on the 30-minute, we're in an uptrend right now.
Yeah, I'm just gonna waste.
Yeah, it's an uptrend. I trade the 5-minute too,
Damn,
so I always look to the 30 for trend direction.
This shit is just locked up. I can't even. All right, I'm not even gonna look at that chart anymore. It's literally just work. Okay. That's fine.
I wonder if they're going back for the gap.
This one does.
What y'all think? We might go for the gap, fill that gap, because there wouldn't be much to close it.
Yeah, not really.
Y'all think we might go and close the gap? Yesterday open gap.
Right.
That's possible, man. Hey, anything's possible. Like, I mean, we
Yeah.
literally just
Charts aren't showing any
we
direction for the day
we
right
made
now.
that new low, and then around London Open, it looks like we were about to head to the low, and they just held it up. And look at this new high.
That 30 is
and now they just
30 is
keep running.
showing.
So it's like, we'll see what happens.
That 30-minute is showing a slight uptrend though.
It's just this shit is insane, man.
I wouldn't be surprised if they cover that gap.
Man, this is insane.
That gap is why those risk limit rules like don't hold positions into a market halt, right, are in place. Because after a market halt, you could see a huge gap like that. That's where they lose their money, right?
Who are you talking about? I didn't even hear you. What did you say?
I'm talking about like a lot of people don't understand why the prop firms have, close all your positions before you get into a market halt, right? Because then when trading resumes, you could be looking at a gap like that and a huge loss.
Oh yeah, of course. Yep. That's why that's why I think we have it good as day traders, because we can be in cash every night, right? So even like on the weekends, even intraday, even like midday, being in cash is a really, really good thing to do, especially now. Like, this is insane.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I can't even.
Warren Buffett is sitting on about 300 billion in cash right now, talking about looking at the market like, yep, I still got it.
Yep.
Berkshire Hathaway investors at his last shareholders meeting said, why aren't you investing that? He said, we only swing at pitches we like.
Yep. Oh,
yo, you know that boy give me all that.
What up?
I said, do you know that boy give me all that?
Yeah, I think we'll probably fill that gap, man, in the morning session. Maybe continue on down in the afternoon, man. AM sessions and PM sessions have been opposite a lot lately.
Yeah.
Tell me you capitalized on that move, bro.
Oh, you should have seen it.
I didn't buy Sam. I didn't buy it, but I was scalping on those little cells.
No, you should have saw those cells.
That shit was crazy.
He was having split second take profits on the way down a little while ago.
I was thinking minis, dog. Fuck.
Yeah, this ain't
just that all that. I seen that ATM name, bro.
Yeah, give me all that. It's the little psychological things, man.
Oh, now it's working. Okay, let's see.
What if we just ran like 500 points from the 61 level?
Goodness, bro, this is crazy.
Bro, that's insane. Bro, this is real right here. I just lost sense of reality.
That 61 level, in the last few weeks, we've been seeing that hold like 98% of the time.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Target filled.
Look at that, breaking the daily high.
God damn.
About to fill that gap, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, bro.
This is crazy. Hey, I hope y'all make a lot of money, man. I'm gonna go.
I just made $800 like in
Let's
3
go.
seconds by accident.
Let's go.
Accidental money is the best money.
I'm trying not to let the greed get to me.
Look at this shit, man. They making, bro. What? Yeah, this market is on crack, bro. This shit is on fentanyl, bro. This
Pure
is
crap.
this ain't even.
It's on that shit that crop that Russian
shit.
shit that makes you into a zombie.
Yeah.
High highs and those low lows. Hey, you guys have a good trading day, man. I'm gonna go get ready for work.
All right,
All right,
fam.
bro.
man.
Have a good
good
day.
one, Nate.
All right.
Yep.
For sure, though. Oh my goodness, what is this? What is going on here?
Six. Crazy shit, man. 34 and 35.
You know what's crazy is this, so you chase this right now, you know, as soon as you enter, it's gonna reverse.
This shit is nuts.
This is wild.
That's what I was afraid of, but I just chased it a little bit and got my 140, my 240 for the day.
I'm aiming for a wrap today.
Long.
It should hit 443 first. So there was a little bit of room between 200 and 400 right there.
Hey, we're not far from completely closing the gap.
No.
Watch it barely touch the gap and then just dump again.
Hola.
The gap is 374, right? That's what you guys got? Or 366, 466?
For the gap close?
Yeah, I think I got 466 for the gap fill.
483 for me.
Okay, that's the 200
Well,
MA.
it all depends on where you're looking. It can be the 4 o'clock close on Friday or the 5 o'clock close. So it's relatively the same thing. The only time it was really different was Wednesday, where 4 o'clock happened, and then Liberation Day movement, where it finished lower. There was like a really big gap between the 4 and 5 o'clock close, but
Yeah.
I'm looking at the Friday close.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Friday close. There. It depends on if it's a 4 o'clock or the 5 o'clock. Right now, sir, yours is set to 5 o'clock, but I think the 4 o'clock is around the same, so kind of indifferent. Where is this? Wait, you just did another one?
Another one.
Oh, you did one near the top. Oh, top. Ooh. Yeah, you playing with fire.
I did a quick sell. I just added that little break of the current little drop.
Mm-hmm. Go over there playing with that fire. That's not. Those aren't even embers. That's fire. Oof.
Yeah.
Wee. Oh. All right.
Oh, Ricky.
Ooh. What you looking like today?
I'm up on everything. 400 on one. Well, close to 400.
On a PA?
Yeah, 273 and 50.
Let's go, bro. I'm so happy for you, bro.
I'm gonna try to see if I can. Once I run 1 to 600 today, I'll call it a day.
All right. Just make sure be cool with that.
Yeah.
Make sure be cool.
I'm looking for solid trades. If one of these disappears, I'm cool with it.
Okay.
Trade you taking a day, Sergio? I mean, what? How you? What are you even playing on? Like, you're on the you're on the one. You switched to the 1 minute now. What are you looking
So,
for your entries?
man, I'm just looking at little breaks. That's it.
Price movement and like
Yeah, right.
when you say a break though, like you got levels you're looking at breaking, or you looking at candles closing, or what?
Bruh,
Just
I'm gonna just say it, bro. There's no strategy.
No
yeah.
strategy.
There's no much
I know.
strategy.
I know a lot of this is just reading the charts, and you got little things, and it's hard to explain. Like I've shared that with a buddy, like that meme with the dude with the lines going everywhere, trying to explain what you're seeing.
Yeah.
Like I get that, but so like these levels right here, this green dotted line, like how you even plotting those levels? Is that an indicator or what?
Oh, that's the fibs on the daily, but it goes from the
Mm,
daily high and to the daily low.
Mhm.
Yeah.
okay.
So
Yeah.
I
So
And
mean,
that's your fit. Go
when I
ahead.
was saying no strategy, I meant because it was an ATM that it's just a quick little ATM that was created. But sir,
I see.
I'll let you speak on it since you're using it right now.
so Friday, bro. Um, I had been grinding on one of the. Well, actually, that drop. I almost got too close to passing this eval, and I needed like $50 more to pass. So Lou hooked me up. All right, check this out. Like we went on the NQ and we did 10 ticks for the NQ, and we just looked for a little push up for um how do I say it? I'm thinking for the right word.
Like any like little momentum.
Momentum. Exactly. That's the exact
Mhm.
word. And bro, I got it so quick, bro. I'm like, oh shit, damn. Like I was like, bro, like it traumatized me, bro. I was like, oh shit, what is this? so
Mhm.
so later, we're kicking it, and I said, why not? Fuck it. So I started playing with it on the other account, you know, because I just said, fuck it, I'll play with this. And bro, that drop throughout the day, I was just getting like little baby scalps and ran the account like two bands. So I like throughout the whole weekend, I've been thinking about it. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna run some of these accounts, and one of these paid accounts gets blown, I wouldn't care. You feel me? So that's basically what I've been doing today. And bro, when it comes to like strategy wise, like I look like at little things. So earlier on the little buy that I took, I was saying, well, we might end up trying to close that. So I took an entry where it looked nice, and then here on the sell, I'm like, oh well, we might be pulling back, and I seen that it had a little bit of momentum on it, so I was taking it. But
Yeah.
I try to base my trades on little shit, and don't get me wrong, every once in a while it'll be like a shit trade,
Yeah.
but it's just little things like that. You feel me?
Yeah, I got you, man.
Yeah,
What
but
are your parameters on that ATM? Just out of curiosity, like what's your risk to reward? Is it like
bro,
a move
there's
into profit?
there,
Your take profit, or you know what I'm
there
saying? Your stop loss moves into take profit.
risk to reward is out the window on that one, fam.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
That's what I was trying to
Yeah.
tell you earlier because I hear your
Okay.
questions, bro. I hear your
Uh huh.
questions, and it sounds like you trying to like figure it out, bro. That's what I was saying, bro. There's nothing to figure out, bro. It's
Yeah.
just
Yeah. I got
it's
It,
you.
right
You're just
now.
trying to capture like 10 ticks. It's
This
like,
is
yeah.
no,
that's it, bro.
yeah,
That is
that's
it.
Okay.
two
This is
points.
not
Yeah.
this. Yeah, this is not one of them days where it's like, yo, we're gonna look at the high to low. We're gonna do a measured move. We're gonna fair value gap. This ain't none of that right now, bro. This
And
ain't none of
Yeah.
that.
This movement's crazy. I got you.
and this is not normally how I trade, fam. I don't trade like this. Like this is this is a whole new person. Like this is not me. This is a different person. Like who I am today. Like I trade the same like strategy every day and look for the same things. But
Mm.
this what I'm doing right now is like something completely new, bro.
This is not financial advice.
Mm-hmm. So yeah,
Understood.
so look, bro, that's the only reason why I was trying to tell you, like, because it sounded like you was trying to, like, get the like you were asking some great questions, and normally there's a discussion about it, but
Okay.
right
Yeah,
now,
I've had my headphones off and I've heard y'all talking, and I've just every time I look up,
Ooh-wee.
I mean, I can see all your buy entries, and You know what I mean?
Every time you
Targets.
look
So
up,
I
you
was
see a
like,
target.
You're good,
like,
fam.
what is going on?
What we're saying is like this is so close to gambling what I'm doing right now.
Yeah,
And this is not the
Understood.
use for me. You feel me? I preach on
Yeah.
having a daily limit, daily loss limit. You know, and having a risk to reward and try to get you more. But this is what I'm doing today. Is not what I always do. You feel me?
Gotcha.
Yeah, so that's all I was trying to see or say. Yes, sir. But yeah, normally don't do this.
Yeah. I think I explained a little bit in the chat. I mean, I've followed some guys, and I had to break away, do my own thing, and so I'm
Target
pretty much at
filled.
that point. Like, I just like to see what other people are doing. I'm not following though.
Yeah, for
I
sure.
was just out of curiosity, like, man, what do you got going on here? So
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah,
gap's about to fill.
it's pushing up, man. This
Gap's about
next
to fill.
hour, yeah.
Order.
Yeah, they going crazy.
Gap filled.
I'm bullish on this next hour.
Target filled.
Oh,
Target filled.
Insane, bro. This is some
Insane.
insane movement.
Insane. This shit is nuts, bro. Oh my god. This is that shit, bro. All right.
let's go.
Another target?
Bro, I just took like
Quickly.
6 trades back to back. Order.
Yo,
order,
you're
order,
lying.
order.
Wait, click the F on your chart. Click the F. There you go.
Yeah, you gotta get the top in there. Ugh.
Yo, bro. Bro, you must be up mad. You must be up 1,000 or something.
I'm up 600 in one account. I'm 300 on the other one, and 50 on one.
Insane. Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro.
Order. Target filled. Target filled.
Wow. Insane shit. This is some insane stuff, man.
Yeah.
Like something must have. Hold on, let me go check financial juice. Let me check.
It might be the emergency meeting they're about to have.
Yeah, it might
So
be.
they're getting together behind closed doors for an emergency rate cuts meeting. Allegedly.
Hey, so Nathan clued me in
There
on
are
the
some
CME
great
limit.
deals countries are bringing
Go
on
ahead.
tariffs. Trump will decide if the trade deals are great enough. My fault. Go ahead, bro. My fault. I didn't mean to cut you off, bro. My fault.
No. Finish what you were doing. Sorry.
No, I finished. It basically was just saying someone said something about countries are coming to us bringing deals, and Trump will decide if the trade deals are good enough to go through. Yeah, go ahead, bro.
The art of the deal.
The art of the deal. Mm-hmm.
I was just checking. So that CME limit, Nathan clued me in on that, man. I'm very grateful for that. That only applies to down though, right? During market open. After
And
hours,
up.
I know there's up at it. Does it do up as well?
Up and down.
On the because the CME limit it says for overnight up and down, but then it looked like during market open there wasn't. But okay, that's why I wanted clarification on. Appreciate it.
Let's go.
No. Let's clarify what you said. You said you thought what happened?
Yeah, I'm pulling up the CME right now. It looked like on the overnight there was limits up and down, but I was under the impression that during market open that it only applied to down, not up.
Nah, it's
that's
up
what I was
as well.
curious about. Okay, good to know.
Yes, sir. It's up as well.
You know what's crazy, fam? Look at we've been bouncing from the 61.
Bruh. That's life. Yo, this is insane.
We're putting CPI candles right now.
Yeah.
I hit targets on both accounts.
You up that much on all?
Yes. Well, 525 on one and 600 on the other one.
Bruh.
That's crazy, bro. We just moved 800 points in 4 minutes.
Let's go. Let's go, bro.
289-point candle.
Yeah, this
The
is
first
insane.
candle was 289. Second
Oh,
candle,
they filled
200.
that gap. Gap filled.
Oh, we're way past that.
Yeah, I'm looking at my other chart because I had the zoom screen above my my 5 minute that has the everything. Yo, this is insane,
way
bro.
past that candle.
God damn.
Bro, you know what's crazy? I had the low last night. I had the low at 16.4. We bounced off. If y'all go to a weekly chart, this last imbalance, we bounced off the 0.5 of the weekly fair value gaps, and we ain't never looked back.
Order. Target filled. Target filled.
496 was the weekly.
This is some insane shit, man.
It's some CPI shit.
Yeah. So ES is pulling back a little bit while the Nasdaq is. Wait, what? Hold on. Wait. Yeah, my shit's all types of fucked up right now. Oh no, nothing. Yeah. Where is there? ES is at what? And markets are green now, by the way. Obviously. 51.93 is that price. That's not what I'm getting on this. Yeah. Same. Yeah. Yeah. There must be some type of negotiations going on. There's gotta be.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Damn, bro, I'm trying to lose money because I made too much. No.
You trying to lose money?
I can't. I'm over my 50% rule. I gotta lose 800 or 300.
Hey,
I can't.
Start shorting.
I can't. I'm trying. It keeps going. I did. It went down and I closed it for another 100 profit. I can't.
Hey, that's how you know it's crazy. As the market is pushing up, you're trying to lose money taking shorts, and you're still making money because of the spread.
Oh my god, bro! All right, I'm in shorts. Let's see if this thing keeps going. Jesus,
that's insane.
That's why I hate my fund that I can't pass it in one day.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we're almost there. All right. I gotta move 60 more bucks.
You gotta lose 60 more?
60. Oh my god, bro. That's why I hate these rules.
Yeah.
So on my funded, on the starter plus evals, it's 2-day pass and there's a 50% consistency rule. But when you funded, there's no consistency rule.
Got it. So it's kind of like take profit trader, how they switch it up.
Yeah, so take profit. They give you that trailing drawdown.
No, I'm just saying, just in the fact that it's switched up.
Yeah, so I can't make too much. So like I'm maxed out on my 250K at 30%. I'm too much on my fund at 50.
Boy said he's making too much money.
I know, bro. That's a bad problem.
Right.
Damn, dog.
Let's go.
Yo.
I'm over here trying to lose money. And on one mic, I had one micro, and I'm still up here at 100. I was like, yo, come on, go the other way. I had one micro. I'm one micro, and this is make $100. $100. I'm like, yo, come on, my guy. That's a wick, though. That's a wick.
Insane stuff.
Do it.
Hey, Serge.
Yeah.
Evals only right now, bro.
Yeah,
Eval's
I'm done trading for today. I hit targets.
good. I'm happy for you, bro.
Yup.
I'm so happy for you, bro. I literally, I'm up like on my PA. I'm up like $100 on my PAs.
Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Because I'm trying to. Oh yeah, this is insane,
Man, in a day like this, you get stuck in the wrong side. Shit.
man.
Order
It's over.
target filled. Order filled.
Mm-hmm.
That inauguration day, that's the day that I got clapped big time. Oh, bro. I went on full tilt.
Yeah, it happens.
Order.
Ooh, that's crazy. Ooh.
I took some of that.
Nice.
I'm gonna fund this now. YOLO.
Spreads are insane.
Yeah, 2 to 3 on the micros. It's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, you see how your sir, do you see how the prices are saying 16s, but then your chart is saying 17 something? Yeah. I don't think you that watch just look out for that, bro.
I
Just
appreciate it.
beware. Looks like market's kind of pulling back now though. 17,
Yeah.
18.
I think Mike on that short.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on.
Order filled. Target filled.
Man, as soon as you said that, it turned back around.
Yo, what the fuck? Why am I? Yo, my orders are getting filled way below the market. Wait, filled? Hold on. Hold on. This can't be right.
All right, y'all, I'm done.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
I'm maxed out on everything. I can't trade no more without going over.
Yeah, don't do it.
No, I'm good. My 250Ks, my 250Ks up. My 25Ks are back to green. I fucked those up last week. Those are back to green. All of them.
Let's go.
Almost blew those motherfuckers. And my funded is maxed out. All right. I'm gonna go wash some paint dry.
Yep. Smart.
Word. All right, boys.
All right, family.
Yes, sir.
Good shit. Today was scary.
Hey,
I'll admit,
today
as
was
an
a crazy
experienced
day.
trader, today was. Damn, my girl looked at me, experienced trader.
That's what she said?
Yeah. Man, she's getting cut off.
Hey, let's go. Let's go, Mrs. Wife. Let's go. Let's go. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him.
That's
Let's
hilarious.
go.
I thought you loved me. Oh man, I got the meat sister too. That's the crazy. I got the meat one. I like it.
Sir.
All right, boys. I'm gonna go cook some chicken like a good boy.
Yes, sir.
I gotta go make her lunch.
Order
I gotta go make her
filled.
lunch.
Target filled.
Let's go.
No, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. All right, boys. I'll see y'all later.
All right, family. Good
bro.
session.
Let's go. Bro, it's so weird. Every time I get into a trade, it says I'm down. It says I'm down $6,000.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Then I'm up. Then I'm up 300.
Then when your trade hits, it closes like normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should be doing that sometimes. It hasn't done it today, but I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah. So this ain't it. This is not. Nope.
Well, just look at that short and look at that short where it was a few seconds ago, and look where it's at now.
Yeah.
It's like a NFP nonstop.
Yeah, bro. This is insane. Bro, your bid ask is saying 16,000. Your chart is hold on, 17.6.
Yeah, my bid ass don't work at all, fam. It really don't.
Your chart is saying 17.6 and change. And the market is saying 17 right now, 17.830s. Yeah, I don't even.
Yeah, it's just froze. It don't work at all.
No. Rhythmic is definitely not. It's not going right now. Nope. Yeah. Yeah, I'm seeing people saying that they have lag in their data and whatnot.
Yeah, I remember earlier when Trading View was completely froze.
Yep. But yo, you know what's so funny? I don't know who dude was, but I heard his questions. I was just trying to stop him from trying to like analyze what's going on.
Oh,
like, that's why I was like, bro. I was like, bro, there's no strategy. Chill. He's like, well, I know, but like, what do you say? I was like, bro, stop. Stop. Don't do it. You trying to read something that's not there.
I wonder who that was, Oliver or Derwin.
I have no idea.
Because both Derwin and Oliver were here. Shit. Because then I seen this morning that Derwin was on. That's the dude from Florida, and Oliver he's from Cali, and so I thought I was talking to Derwin, but it might have been Oliver. I think it was Oliver.
Yeah.
This is the give me all that strategy.
Yeah, it's like, bro. He's like, wait. So someone said, yeah, White House senior advisor. Trump is mulling a 90-day pause on tariffs, aside from China. That was the thing.
Man, that's that. Oh, just China.
Yeah, something about China. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this was too much. This was too much for the charts. Well, for my charts at least.
Yeah, like I said, bro, us ourselves, we can't comprehend this. We're
Yeah.
never seen. We this is not no daily shit. Like
No,
800 point moves, 500 point moves. That's
this
like
ain't it. This is crazy. This is insane.
CPI. That's CPI and NFP shit.
Yeah. Yeah, this is insane shit.
As much as we try to like, it's hard. Our eyes not trained for that much that much movement.
Yeah. This shit is insane, bro. Like,
What's y'all's plan? Y'all gonna be on the charts?
I don't think so, bro. This is
I made my
I don't.
money, bro.
Oh, you here?
Yes, sir. I made my money, and I'm trying to buy right now. I'm looking for this beautiful push, but it's moving kind of weird.
I think we're all green. I think we basically max in a way. We
Right.
should call
Order
it a day
filled.
maybe at 10. Not yet.
Yeah, a couple
Target
more minutes.
filled.
Yeah, I'm really looking for a buy right here. I don't think it's gonna keep going lower, but we'll see.
Yeah.
I mean, you gotta stop by a fair value, order block, and everything, bro. It just feels a
Yeah.
good buy.
This is wow, bro. Bro, I literally was in a trade and said I was bro. This is
Ooh, baby.
hold on. I know what. Let me disconnect from my live data broker and let me see what the price is saying. Maybe that's gonna be different.
Oh wait, what happened now?
Because I'm also connected to my live broker, and so I
Oh,
see that data. So maybe that's the reason why I'm seeing correct prices because of that. But
Yeah, that's probably why.
then maybe my Apex data coming in is whack. So
yeah,
yeah, I don't
that
Kind
makes
of
know.
sense.
just confusing everything up.
Yeah,
All right, now I'm done for the day. Hell yeah, I'm good.
Let's go.
I'm halfway there. Yeah, baby. Oh,
let's
hell
go.
yeah.
Wait, you
Hey.
to getting to funding it?
Yeah, bro. Hell yeah, halfway, man. Come on.
Watch y'all
Oh,
think.
let's
Y'all think that?
go.
Yes, sir. I actually had um it was kind of road. It was kind of like a road, like a damn road, because I was negative 1K, bro.
Damn.
So I made that. I made some of it today. Um, I ain't gonna push it no more.
This is
I'm gonna just
Bulenox?
take that in. Nah, bro, not Bill Knox. Shit, that's till tomorrow.
Oh,
That's
okay,
a
okay, okay.
top step.
Top
Yeah,
step. Hey.
but the thing is that I'm playing with micros, bro. So I'm happy that I was able because you guys were like, nah, minis are like fucking crazy, you know. So I
Yeah,
got used to playing with micros now. So I'm like, all right, I was able to, capitalize because I capitalized on that big move up.
yeah.
That's where I was really making my money. And I was like, hell yeah, I'm holding. But then I started seeing those pullbacks and I had to get out.
The deep pullbacks.
Yeah, the big one, yeah, hell yeah. I was like, oh fuck, But I capitalized on that. And then right now on this push, so I'm halfway there,
Mm-hmm.
y'all. I'm halfway there. Yeah, I'm out the charts. I'm good for today.
Let's go.
Yeah. Let's
I
fucking go.
won't mess with bull nuts tomorrow for sure.
Okay. Yeah, hell yeah.
Sure, yes, sir. Oh
So
man,
it's so jumpy.
yeah.
Oh, what? This is
How,
jumpy as hell.
how long before the market stabilizes again? Like we have
Yeah.
like normal days.
Oh no. Yo, but by the way, I hope I didn't sound rude to dude when he was asking him questions.
Nah.
Okay. Because
Who?
because
Oliver, I think it's Oliver. I know.
Oh,
I don't know if it's I know Jerwin and Oliver were here, but I didn't realize that Oliver was here till the end. So it might have been Oliver or Jerwin.
I seen JB and then somebody named Oliver.
yeah.
Yeah, JD was Jerwin, and Oliver that's Nathan's homeboy.
Oh yeah. Hey, Nathan's loud as shit, bro. Sometimes I have to put my headphones on.
Yeah.
That's my
Bro,
dog, but he's loud as shit.
Yeah. I'm about to end the stream. Hold on. Let me end mine.
Oh damn it.